Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a really cool new added feature to make magic funnels, creating magic funnels that much more easy. And it's called the link generator. Let's check it out. So from your dashboard, we're logged into the back office here. All you're going to want to do is just click on the affiliates link at the very top. Now, the affiliates link at the very top is going to take you to the affiliate dashboard. From here, depending on what plan you have, you can just simply go down to lead generation funnels. If you have the premium plan, it's going to showcase the funnel club link. Go ahead and click on that. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and click here. And it's going to take me to what we're going to be working with. Now, if you have not set up a custom domain, it's going to pop up with easy instructions. And again, if these aren't self-explanatory for you and you want to take a look at the video, please search for the video on how to connect your domain to your Builderall affiliate links. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and exit out of here. And this area right here, specifically right here where it says new, right? We're going to be highlighting some really cool things in the link generator. All right, let's get started. All right, from the drop down, we have a couple of options. The first one's going to be a redirect link. If you're not familiar with the redirect link, what this is going to do is it basically is going to mask, right, where you want your site visitors to arrive. So for example, here is where I want them to land, affiliateguide.live. Okay, but yet that's not what I want to show. I want to show maybe a link. So all you have to do is just go in here, type it in, select send, and then it is going to generate this shorter URL that you can use and share. Right? So the next one, we have the magic funnel. Now that one we're going to be taking a closer look, more in depth. So we're going to skip that one for now and hop on over to WhatsApp. All right, so if you wanted just to share a link so that people can just simply connect with you via WhatsApp, all you got to do is go in here under the WhatsApp link generator, select your country code, and then enter your WhatsApp phone number along with the message that you want them to see once they have successfully connected with you, right? And that pretty much sums that up. Next, you will do that exact same thing with the Telegram. Just go in here and log in using your username or type your username and then select Get Link. All right, lastly is going to be the URL shortener. Now, when would you use that? Well, you would probably use that when you have not connected your domain. Okay, take a look at some of these links here. They could be rather long, like this one here, this affiliate link. Let's hop down and take a look at this one. All right, so let's just copy this one. Go right back up and then go to link generator, select URL shortener. And then right in here in this blue area, just go ahead and paste that in there. Select shorten URL. Now what that's going to do is once the page refreshes, it's going to give you a shorter link. Not only that, but you also have the analytics that you can take a look at. So when you click on here, you can go in there and actually gauge and monitor the information that's being displayed here in this area. And this is a quick snapshot here of how it is broken down just by that specific link. All right, let's take a look at the Magic Funnel link generator. Now here is where you will create the action that you want the link that is generated to perform. So in this case, your site visitor will be signing up for a Builderall plan. Now, in order to create a successful Magic Funnel link, all you have to do is go through and make sure everything has been answered. So the first question is do you want them to register for a free plan? Or if left unchecked, this will register them for a 14-day free trial. Next, select if you will have access to their Cheetah Builder. There are so many cool benefits in checkmarking this. Now, after they have registered for one of the plans indicated above, where do you want them to go? Here's where you can add your own customized thank you page. So for this example, let's go in and add my own link. And since it's a thank you page, there you go. And then lastly, what email list would you like to add them to? And then just select Get Link. Now I'm going to show you exactly where to place this link here in just a bit, but let me give you that second option. Okay, back up here, there was that second option, right, where you could choose a plan. So let's use the premium plan, for example. Let's say you ran a promotion for anyone who signed up for your premium plan would also get access to your 10 highest converting funnels. Then you would enter your link. Now let me show you. So first, let's go ahead and select the plan that you're promoting. For this example, we're going to select the premium plan. So when they go and they purchase the premium plan for $69.90, right, what that's going to do is after they have made their payment, they're going to be redirected to your 10 highest converting funnels that they get for free. So you can add that promotion link right here, and that's exactly where they'll go. So I'm going to use the same exact link that I shared with you just a moment ago. Now you can go in here again and create a new link and then copy this. Okay, so after you have copied your link, what do you do next? All right, we're going to hop over to the Cheetah Builder and let me show you exactly what you do. Okay, so now I am over in the Cheetah Builder and I'm inside one website that has two different pages. One's going to be my landing page and then the other one is going to be my thank you page. Now let's go into the actual landing page and kind of walk you through where you're going to plug in the magic funnel link. Okay, so here is just a basic generic template, right? A landing page. And what we want to do is add that magic funnel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to just delete this here. And I'm going to show you how to add a new contact form, right? So there's two different types of forms. One's going to be the contact form. The other one's going to be an email marketing form, right? But for the magic funnel, once you create that link, there's an actual magic form. So what you're going to want to do is just click on that and then drag that in here. Okay. Now, really simple. Let's just go in here and kind of just resize this. I'm not going to worry about colors or anything like that. Now, you're going to notice there's a gear here at the very top. So once you right click into this element, you can just select the gear and then go in and just start entering the basic stuff in here. Okay, so there's three different fields. One's going to be the email field. Okay. And then the next one here is the actual field that is basically used to register for a new account. So you don't want to go in here and make any adjustments. You don't. You don't want to go in here and make any of these adjustments. The only thing that you should be maybe changing is this tag internals. So if you go to the little pencil icon, right down here where it says default value, this is where you can change the name of whatever funnel you're trying to keep track of. Okay. And then next, let's just go ahead and hit save. Then right here at action, this is where you're going to insert the link that we copied. And there you go. Okay, so next, all we're going to do is go up and save it. And we're going to take a look at what it looks like live. So let's go ahead and select go to website. All right, so let's give it a shot. Okay, so just as I mentioned when we were going through the actual magic funnel link, right, I said that we would try to promote the premium plan in addition to after the individual makes the purchase of the premium plan, then they're going to be taken to that extra, right, that bonus that we talked about, right? Remember, there was that promotion of a 10 highest converting funnels. Those now become mine. I now have access to those. And that is exactly how the magic funnel link generator works. Okay, so we're back in the Cheetah editor, and I wanted to show you one more thing when it came to creating the magic funnel link. So all you got to do is just go back into this form here. Now, instead of having to go to your affiliate page or your affiliate dashboard, going into funnels to access the actual magic funnel link generator, you can do it from here. So you can just simply click on actions, and right here where we pasted it, there's a link down here. So if you click on that link, it brings you right back to where we started. So a quick recap. In this video, we walked through on how to use the all new and improved link generator links, such as the redirect, WhatsApp, Telegram, URL shortener, and the magic funnel link generator. We also went into Cheetah to show you how to connect your magic funnel links. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.